Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today and for this week. As a continuous follower of our presentation, you may notice that now I am showing a white color charting platform. Normally for our daily presentation, we will be using our charting platform, Goodwill charting platform, where you can see so many colors because our charting platform has got the ability to provide automatic buy and sell signals. But since this is Monday is always a very important day for us. Why? Because if we want to position ourselves, even if you are a day trader or a positional trader, we should know what happened last week so that we can have a clear idea what we are going to execute for this week. So that is the reason why I am posting this video presentation. Moreover, we are moving to the next contract, so all the supports and resistance we should identify that again. So what we are going to do is that I am using here a 1 hour chart. That means all the candlestick here represents 1 hour. You may notice that this is the moving average which we are following, which can give us and guide us to give a better result for identifying the trend also. Now we can see this vertical blue line that indicates last week Monday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 6260. All the key major zones I had marked with the blue color box, and the minor zone supports and resistance I had marked with the blue color line also. Now let us see the entire price action what happened last week. From 6260, so this was just above that the price opened. And on seeing the last week Monday's price opening, which was we know that on the previous day the price there was a continuous fall in the price. There was no doubt about the trend that the price was trading below the average, so the trend is going to be down, which means that on every top there will be sellers, on every resistance there will be sellers, unless until the price clears or move above the moving average. So what we are going to do is that we are going to analyze the price flow here from 6260, the bottom support zone. The price gave a bounce back to the next level 6320. Again there was a drop to 6260. Then you can see that a climb, a very strong consolidation between these two boxes which I had drawn, these two zones, which was 6360 and 6320. So this was the area where most of the traders they try to find a clear trend direction. But finally what happened on that particularly, the price closed lower. But what happened on 16th of October was a bit of surprise, which means that the price opened, and you can see that all these things, the price straight away went and closing. The close near the key resistance zone of 6360 and also near the average. There came the puzzle. So the next day was a very important day for crude oil traders. What happened on 17th? If the price had opened above the 6360, or if there was a price action above this, surely that would have encouraged most of the buyers to come into action and the price would have shooted up. But the next day price opening was a surprise, which opened below that, and you can see it was a continuous fall. So this is the reason always we should have a look at a 1 hour chart. Even if you are a day trader, you should always have a view how we can position ourselves for a particular week. That will surely guide and help you for day trading. So there was a continuous drop and the price created a new low. What happened again? The price tested 6160. Then that was a bounce back. We know that where the price started. On Monday you notice that the price started and created some lows and some support around 6260. So the price came and gave a bounce back near the zone and closed here. So what we can do for this week? So this was the entire price action that happened last week. We should remember all the key zones. Why I am insisting again and again to remember the price flow of what happened in the last week, because if you have everything in your mind, normally during the trading time that will help and guide us to take a very good valuable decisions. So how we are going to position ourselves for this week? Today the expected price opening is going to be somewhere just above the previous day price closing. So it can be somewhere near 6260s. Based upon the NYMEX price direction, we are predicting the price opening. There may be few variations or changes based upon how the rupee is going to stay, and also we are posting this video presentation well before the price opening for today. So there may be minor changes. According to the NYMEX price, you can expect the price to open somewhere above the previous day's price closing. So what it indicates? Nothing but on the previous week, that was on Monday, last week, the price opened near the same zone, 6260, more or less near the same zone, and these are all the price action that happened. So today what we are to for this week, what we are going to do, the price is going to open somewhere near the same area, which is going to create good, it can possibly create some buying also if the price is staying above 6260. So this zone is going to be very important for sellers. If there is any selling that is going to happen, there is going to be a continuous selling that's going to happen in crude oil market, the price will not break 6260 again. Why? The major reason was that here you saw in this particular area, whenever the price was staying above, that encouraged buyers to buy. So in the same way, if the price is staying above 6260 in this particular area, it will encourage a lot of buyers, and that can push the price to the next zone, where there will be a convergence of moving average in a key resistance zone. So that will make this area very and most special area. So this is going to be the criterias. If there is if the trend is selling, if the market is going to continue the downtrend which it followed for the last few weeks, then it should not stay above 6260. So this is going to be a very good area, and we should focus more on this particular area. The second area where we will be focusing was this bottom support zone, 6220. So if there is a continuous selling happening in crude oil market within Monday, that is within today, the price will break the 6220 and it will look to create a new low, which can be possibly around 6100s. So if there is any failure to stay above 6260, you will be seeing 6100 zone. So this is the possibilities for selling. So if there is any chance for buying, you know it very clearly. If the price is moving above, we don't say that we want to make it clear. I'm not saying that if the price is going to stay above 6220, it is 6260, it is going to reverse the trend. That will encourage buyers, and you will see all the price action what happened last week. The entire price action what happened last week, that will be repeated for this week. If the price is going to stay above 6260, then the outcome for buying will be good. So if the price will go and test the 6320 again, then there will be a key decision zone. So you can expect some buying happening. So this is what we are going to expect. So you should stay and put lot of focus on 6260, this key zone. These two areas is going to decide the trend, and this is the major intermediate zone. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.